Hello mga friendships! For today's vlog, we are going to take you to North Yorkshire. North Yorkshire is the largest ceremonial county in England. So mga friendships, hello! It's the half-term holiday. Half-term holiday of school. The whole week next week, and it's a Sunday today, and we are on our way to our short break. So we are going to somewhere with a swimming pool as usual, so in a hotel with swimming pool. Say hi, Kai. What about you, Cash? Are you okay? Are you sleeping? That's Cash. And the weather is very horrible. It's raining cats and dogs because there's actually a depression. There's a typhoon. It's called Eunice. But in the weather forecast, it says it's going to rain, 100% raining, but hopefully it's not going to be windy. Tomorrow in the weather forecast says it's going to be windy, so that's what I'm worried, a little bit. And of course, the good sir who is the driver today, and the weather, that it's really raining cats and dogs up there. It's dark outside. Yeah, my double chin. It's raining really hard.
It's not raining dogs again. It's raining tacos.
Yeah, so yes, mga friendships, I'm going to show you more when we get there. See you later. Bye.
One day is how we change, should be about the same. Stop.
And mga friendships, North Yorkshire is covering an area of 9,020 square kilometers. Around 40% of the county is covered by national parks, including most of the Yorkshire Dales and the North York Moors. It is one of 4 counties in England to hold the name Yorkshire. The 3 other counties are the East Riding of Yorkshire, South Yorkshire, and West Yorkshire.
For the people you say that we don't want to fight no more, there'll be no more war, and our children will play one day, one day, one day.
And by the way, mga friendships, right now we are in Harrogate. So Harrogate is a town in North Yorkshire, England, east of Yorkshire Dales National Park. Its heritage is a fashionable spa resort, continues in the Montpellier Quarter with the Royal Pump Room Museum, documenting the importance of local mineral springs. Nearby is the restored Moorish-style Turkish baths and health spa. To the west is the Leafy Valley Gardens, features the Art Deco Sun Pavilion.
Down, so when negativity is around, I know something, it'll turn around because all my life I've been waiting for, I've been crying for the people to say that you don't want to fight no more, there'll be no more war, and our children will play one day, one day, one day. The violence, now we're the same. One day we'll all be free.
So mga friendships, we are now checked into our hotel, which is the Harrogate Majestic Hotel. So this hotel is set on an 8 acres of landscape grounds. This refined hotel in a stately building dating from 1889 is a 5-minute walk from the Harrogate Convention Center. I've actually been to this convention center a few times before. And a 9-minute walk from the Royal Pump Room Museum and a 12-minute walk from Harrogate train station. So it's nearby a train station as well. So, well, the amenities of this hotel include a modern restaurant, a lounge, and a gym, plus a spa with an indoor pool, sauna, and steam room. There's also a meeting room and event space. Parking and breakfast are available. So we're going to partake of their breakfast buffet the following morning.
They have biscuit.
Let's see.
So mga friendships, this hotel has a long history pala. So this hotel was built by the Frederick Hotels Limited, who owned the Hotel Great Central and Warncliffe Restaurant in London, and the Hotel Russell in London, as well, and also the Royal Pavilion Hotel. And in the years before the First World War, the hotel was frequented by many celebrities, politicians, and royalties. Prince Henry of Prussia stayed in the Majestic Hotel while organizing an Anglo-German car rally in Yorkshire, accompanied by the Maharaja of Pachala, who was also a guest, as were a number of Russian Grand Duchesses. Now, on the 21st of June 1924, the hotel was badly damaged in a fire. The top 2 stories of the west wing were destroyed. The rooms on the same level along the south front of main building were damaged, and the dome was destroyed. A French maid became distressed after being trapped on the roof, and a local waiter went onto the roof to prevent her from jumping. She was eventually lowered down by and rescued by the fire brigade. Wow. So, in 2010, a fire at the hotel caused significant damage as well, including water damage, and one person even died in the fire. Right, mga friendship. So we are here by the poolside, and it's raining outside, still wet and cold. And we're going to relax for a while. The swimming pool is full. We have to wait until it's a bit empty. You want to go back to our room instead? Right.
We can eat.
Yeah, we're going to order food from the
So
bar.
we'll just eat here now.
I don't know, where's the breakfast? So we have to plan it properly because we're going swimming in the morning. So yes, mga friendship. So we are here in the hotel. We are in the spa side, and right outside, look, outside is the swimming pool. There's an indoor swimming pool. It's very wet and cold, outside. And the boys, look, Clive is ready. So they're wearing the swimsuit because it's goggles. And mga friendships, in 2016, the hotel was purchased by the Ken Group, and it was rebranded to DoubleTree by Hilton Harrogate Majestic Hotel and Spa on the 18th of September 2019, following a £15 million renovation program that took 18 months to be completed.
In fact, there is a typhoon. There's typhoon Eunice. Typhoon does not stop us. So maybe we'll just plan our dinner now.
Yeah.
This will be our breakfast. Maybe this is the breakfast hall tomorrow. So this will be our breakfast. Maybe this is the breakfast hall tomorrow.
Tiring day, why is it a tiring day tomorrow? And also mga friendships. This hotel has 184 rooms. During the refurbishment and redevelopment of its former leisure club took place, transforming it into the Harrogate Spa. The hotel has one restaurant and one piano lounge.
Yeah, we know that. Mommy, this is funny. This is funny.
Thank God I'm breathing, and I pray don't take me soon, 'cause I am here for sometimes in my tears I drown, but never let it get me down. So when negativity surrounds,
Do it again. Oh, it's upside down.
Watch at your fingers.
It's upside down. We're in a different room.
Back in our room.
Another room. Yeah, 911. What's your emergency?
Don't ring 911, ha?
Couldn't go.
I will find out what way we are going to.
Talaga.
Look at the bed is already crumpled. Look. I already took a video. So that is our view, mga friendships. We have the bird's eye view of Harrogate. So yes, mga friendships, that's the history of Majestic Hotel Harrogate, or the Majestic Hotel, which is now officially known as the Doubletree by Hilton Harrogate Majestic Hotel and Spa. It is a historic hotel in Harrogate, North Yorkshire, England.